Hi guys, it's Ben Heath from Lead Guru, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about Facebook's reach campaign objective. So there are currently 13 different campaign objectives, and when you select a campaign objective, you're basically telling Facebook what it is that you're looking for. So if you select traffic, or video views, or brand awareness, or conversions, or whatever it is, that's what Facebook's going to try and get you. That's what their algorithms are going to optimize your campaigns for. So they're going to put your ads in front of people that they think are most likely to take your desired action, whether that's click on a link and come through to your website, whether that's become a lead, or watch a video of yours, whatever it is you're looking for. Now, when you select the reach campaign objective, you're saying to Facebook, I want you to put my ad in front of as many people as possible. Now, a lot of people think that that's what Facebook's going to do anyway. They're going to put your ad in front of as many people as possible for obviously what you're paying for, but they're not. So their algorithms are going to work out, for example, that within your target audience, a certain sector of that is highly likely to, let's say, become a lead of yours. So instead of showing your ad to everyone within your target audience, they might show your ad to that group of people 3 or 4 times in a row before they start showing it to everyone else. Now with the reach objective, you're saying, no, I don't want any of that. I don't want people to see my ad multiple times. I want it to be seen by as many people within my target audience as possible. So why would you want to select this option other than simply, getting your brand out there, getting your message out there to as many people as possible, which is a benefit, but I think this is particularly useful if you're running a timely promotion. So let's say, for example, you're running like a flash sale or something to do with like a holiday. Maybe it's something to do with Easter or Christmas or something like that where there's a time limit on it. Well, you want to make sure that as many people within your target audience see your ad for whatever it is you're offering within that time window. You don't want Facebook to be putting that ad in front of the same person again and again, where that might work best in other scenarios. When you've got a time window type campaign, that's when I'd recommend testing the reach objective. Of course, you can test this alongside the conversions objective and some of the other options, but definitely give it a test. I also really like this for local businesses. So often local businesses will advertise to a relatively small audience because maybe they're just advertising to within 5 or 10 miles of their location, and that might not be very people, particularly if you operate in a rural area or somewhere where the population density is quite low. So you want to make sure that as many people within that area as possible see your ad. Again, particularly if you're a local business and you're combining it with something timely. Maybe you're a restaurant and you've got an offer on for Tuesday night or something like that. Then reach objective could definitely be the way to go. As a local business, you don't want Facebook to be putting your ad in front of the same people again and again and again when your audiences are really small. You want to get it in front of as many people as possible. So those are a couple of case studies where I'd really recommend using the reach objective. That's where I've used it. It's not talked about very much. Of course, like all things Facebook advertising, test it against your other stuff. So if you're currently running a traffic campaign, don't just switch that straight to reach. Duplicate that campaign, give half the budget to your traffic campaign, half the budget to your reach campaign, run as a test, see which performs better, and then make adjustments from there. So hopefully that's been useful. If it has, let me know. Leave a comment below. If you've used the reach objective before and it has or hasn't worked out for you, please leave a comment below to let us know. That'd be really, really useful. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.